Oh, good to see you. Good to
Hello, hi. Nice to meet you.
Would like to know why did you decide to buy our
We buy all the banknotes, any new banknote issued because we are collectors and dealers. Also, we travel around the world and we attend the banknote shows. Same time, we buy banknotes and coins for ourselves and for our collector friends back home. In this hobby, it's very fascinating that new countries now coming and they issuing beautiful banknotes, especially the new Fabia banknotes are issued. We are very happy to see that these beautiful notes are for sale, and we hope that you do something with polymer as well in the future, because there is a very high demand for collectors all around the world.
Question, did you know about Abkhazia before?
Yeah, I came to know about Abkhazia when you issued the banknotes before. So when the notes are issued, we were curious about the country. So we searched on the Google, and then we came to know that the country exists with the Abkhazia, and it's an independent, semi-independent state, and the population and the geography. So we didn't know anything about this before the banknotes were issued. So thank you about bringing us.
I know you
to life.
collected all Abkhaz issues, yeah? All cards on Abkhaz issues. I hope in future will come.
Yeah, we look forward to seeing more. Yeah. It's okay. Thank you.